Hope you are all good. Today videos about rustic and vintage garden design ideas. Rustic means appropriate to the country as in plainness or sturdiness. In a modern world that emphasizes the disposable, the mass-produced, and the cheap, the notion of something rustic suggests an authentic, natural, rough-hewn quality that many gardeners crave. Whether it's vintage garden furniture found at a flea market, a DIY trellis, or a touch of burlap and reclaimed driftwood, rustic gardens always feel cozy and casual, never sleek or manicured. In my part of Europe, a new type of garden is on the rise, a vintage garden. Also known as shabby chic, a vintage garden can be created in many different ways, but it should focus on reuse and quality, and not so much on consummation. A vintage garden isn't supposed to be perfect or even well organized. It should be a place where people can socialize and relax. It should reflect creativity, personality, and harmony. There should be no room for stress or must-dos. The point is to use things you have lying around. Try to see new ways to use those old things, remake old things, and combine items in fresh and exciting new ways.